Fairburn, Georgia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Once you walk into the home, you're walking into the living area. And the living area is an open floor plan into the dining room and the kitchen with the arch walls here. If you go this way, you'll walk into the kitchen area. Once you walk into here, you'll walk into the dining room area. And this is the dining room, and you have the washroom area here, right off to the kitchen. This is a 1-story home. Right off the kitchen, this is a closet here for storage area. You have lots of shelving inside here. Right up here to your right, you have the master bedroom. And this has a nice size walk-in closet right here. And you have your full bathroom here. This is the master bath. This has a shower and a garden tub inside the bedroom here. And all the bedrooms here have ceiling fans, so you don't have to run the AC all the time. You can kind of keep that power bill down and keep it cool inside the home. Once you walk out of the master room, over here to the right, this is like the eating kitchen area, and then you have the dining room area right here that sits off to the backyard. This is a nice fenced, white gated fence back here, nice size for if you want to have your children out there playing. This here room right here is a very unique room. This could be a den, this could be another living area. You also could just add some closet space here, even some portable closet shelving here, and put a door up here. And this can actually make this into a 4-bedroom home if you would like. And it sits right off here to the garage. The garage is right off here as well. Now again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, which can be made into a 4-bedroom if you wanted to turn this room into a 4-bedroom. Now once you go to the other side of the home, again, this kitchen area, let's not miss this kitchen. This is a nice gas stove area, and they have 2 open to the oven areas, as well as the microwave, nice pantries, nice cabinetry. Here we have this very nice double fridge here with the bottom drawer as well. You can get lots and lots of frozen foods inside there as well. And also comes with a dishwasher as well. So once you walk off from the kitchen, you walk back here into the living room area, and you have a nice wooded fireplace here. And then there's 2 additional bedrooms over here. You actually have 2 linen closets here. We have another bedroom. Now remind you that these bedrooms do have carpet inside of it. They all have nice sized closets. This is another bedroom that sits up front of the home. And right across from it is the 3rd bedroom, which could be 4th, whatever you decide. Because of that room up front, it can be made another bedroom, it can be made an office, etc. This is another nice sized bedroom, and this is another closet space. As you see that closet, it goes all the way down. So there's lots of room in these closets here as well. And then we have right up here on the other side of the home is the other bathroom. This is another full bath here. Fairburn, Georgia area. So if this is something that you're interested in, you can please give me a call, message me, or reach out to me and we can discuss further details.